Are you even searchable on engines? What does that mean in SEO? You already checked out episode 1 of SEO, and today we are talking about engines. So number 1, we'll get right into it. Is your business searchable? Are you even showing up on the first or second page when you search yourself? Might be a problem if you're not. Number 2, are you searchable on other search engines like Bing? And number 3, are you the expert in the niche whenever you type in anything on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter? Are you searchable on those platforms as well? Are you on social platforms talking about what you're best at? If you're not, then that's the problem. These are all free things that you can do. So do 1, Google; 2, Bing; other ones; 3, all social platforms, mainly Pinterest. For some reason that has a really good search engine. If you check out my meta tags and everything descripted, it could be why you're watching this video right now. Everything's so virtual. You got to be in video, you got to be textual, you just got to be in all places. So that's what I'm trying to do here, SEO. And yeah, go check out AustinCEO.com/SEO, or just hire Weasel.com.